Hi, my name is Stella Matsabas, and today we're going to make I guess you could call it a fritter because it is technically a fritter, but we're not going to fry it, okay? We're just going to use a tiny bit of olive oil, and we're going to use cauliflower. So it's going to be a cauliflower fritter recipe. I hope you enjoy it because it's really healthy, pairs well with virtually everything. If you're trying to limit the amount of meat you consume, this is perfect. Okay, so here are your ingredients. You're going to want to take 4 cups of cauliflower florets, 1 carrot that's been grated, 2 whole eggs, 1/4 cup of almond meal, 1/4 cup of fresh parsley that's finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. You're going to want to place the florets in a food processor and process until the cauliflower has a grainy-like texture and transfer that to a large mixing bowl. Add the rest of the ingredients and mix well until combined. Form each fritter and flatten so they're about 1/2 inch thick. Heat the olive oil over medium-high heat in a frying pan and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes each side or until golden brown. You're going to want to serve these warm with your favorite side salad. I love using like an arugula salad and taking that cauliflower fritter, ooh, that's a mouthful, and putting it on top of the arugula. Enjoy. This dish is bursting with fiber and nutrients, sure to keep you healthy.